Littelfuse Arc Flash Relays lead the way in arc flash reduction technology. Arc flash technology that can make your facility safer. Arc flash relays use reliable light detection to quickly sense an arc flash and trip the circuit breaker in milliseconds. Adding Littelfuse Arc Flash Relays to existing switchgear is fast and easy. They're plug and play. Any combination of point and fiber optic sensors can be used to provide maximum coverage. Arc flash relays can substantially reduce the amount of incident energy in an arc flash, making switchgear safer and reducing the amount of PPE needed. They are the optimal solution to meet new NEC code changes for active arc flash mitigation with the shortest trip times. Littelfuse has a family of arc flash relays to fit almost any situation. Arc flash relays are a very cost-effective way to significantly decrease the risk of arc flash and make your facility safer. Call one of our experts or visit littelfuse.com/arcflash.